Hi everybody, this is Kim Robert Asilom, a third year BSN student at University of Makati and currently taking Medical Surgical Nursing 2 under Dr. Annabel Borromeo. The next slide will present a concept map regarding cholecystitis. High fat intake and high cholesterol level will cause imbalanced bile mixture and will lead to supersaturation of cholesterol in the bile and causing crystal formation and then eventually will transform into gallstones. Gallstones has a three classification, the cholesterol stone, pigment stone, and mixed stone. Gallstones in the gallbladder is called cholelithiasis. Because of the gravity, the stones will move into cystic duct or common bile duct, which will cause obstruction and causing bile stasis. When bile stasis occur, there's an increase in serum bilirubin level, which is manifested by jaundice and tea-colored urine. Obstruction in the common bile duct is manifested by severe abdominal pain at the right upper quadrant, fever, nausea, and vomiting. Presence of gallstones in the cystic duct and common bile duct is called choledolithiasis. Choledolithiasis and cholelithiasis will cause inflammation of the gallbladder and it is called cholecystitis. This condition will undergo cholecystectomy, a surgical procedure of removing the gallbladder.